What's good, creators? Today we're going to look at 10 reasons why you need to be using Canva. Let's go. Reason number one, it's an online platform. There's nothing to download or install. You just head over to canva.com and you can register via traditional email or by your Google account or Facebook account. Reason number two, there's no trial period. No 30 days, no 60 days. You can use Canva for as long as you want. Number three is learn. If you've never heard about Canva or you're new to design and the concepts behind it, they have several tutorials on their site that are easy to follow, simple to use, along with other lessons on branding, marketing, and photography. The fourth reason is the ease of use. A lot of the functionality is drag and drop. There are guides that show up if you want to line up something to center it or line up your text with a graphic. Very simple to navigate and pretty straightforward. Most people could figure out the basic functions of Canva when they first start out. And at number five is the customizable templates. Whether you need it for social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or maybe you want to do a birthday invitation, a wedding invitation, a brochure, a real estate ad, whatever you want, there are pre-made templates ready and available for use. Now, for example, you're watching this on YouTube, you may be a new content creator. Canva can take care of your YouTube trailer, your channel art, and your thumbnail. Now, technically, you can use Canva for video editing, but it is a bit limited in what you can do with it, so I wouldn't recommend it for editing at this point. The stock library for photo, video, and music is reason number six. There's more than enough photos and videos and music that you can use for free for your content. If you end up exhausting all those options, you can upload your own images, you can upload your own video. Unfortunately, at this time, you can't upload music, but I can see them doing it in the near future. Reason number seven is grids, one of my personal favorites. What grids does is give you some structure to see visually where you might want to put an image and how you want your design to look. Again, the ease of use by just dragging and dropping those images onto the work area is super easy. Direct publishing is number eight. You can publish directly to places like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or you can get your files and drop them in your Dropbox or upload them to your Google Drive. Reason number nine are the print options. Yes, print. People still print things. You could print business cards, you could print t-shirts, brochures, whatever it is that you want to print. They do offer a service where they provide various print services that will be delivered to your door. Reason number 10, in case it's not obvious, it's free. Again, I want to mention there's no trial periods, there's nothing to pay. You could use Canva for as long as you want, until maybe you want to get into the pro version, which I will talk about in the next video. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell when that video comes out. For now, get your creator groove on, hit record, and create.